Simple way to kind of keep your comment section light, right? If you're using a regular glide table, would to kind of keep it to a fixed number of rows, maybe 5 to 600 if 1,000 is kind of slowing your project down. So here is the comments table in my Glide app, the data tab. So it has the basic stuff that you need for comments. Of course, if your comments table is more complicated with more columns and more computations, uh, the number of rows that you can download in a certain number of seconds will reduce. Right? More complications, the heavier the table, the slower it is to load. So what I've done is there's the row ID, there's the time at which the message was created, the message itself, the username, the email, and the photo, right? And now these three columns I have created to kind of help me archive my old comments. So right now I've set in a simple rule that every time a new comment is posted, the Glide app must check if there are any comments that are older than 30 days. So that means if I am posting a comment today, 29 July 6:45 p.m., if there are any comments that are 30 days older than this, if there are, right? So first, to check the date difference, we use a simple date difference column where the start date is the timestamp of the message posted and the end date is the current time. My unit is days because I'm using days. You can change it to whatever you want, right? So we have the date difference column. Now we'll create a query column, which I've done here, right? So in this query column, you click on your source as comments and you filter it such that the date difference is more than 30. I've chosen 30 days. You can choose whatever you want. Right? So now what happens is that every row in the comments table is kind of querying and pushing back an array of rows that are older than 30 days. So a quick check, right? The two comments we can see is hi, I'm new here and good day all. So, hi, I'm new here. It's June 29th, which is about exactly a month old. And Good Day All is 2 months old. So, it checks out, right? There's returning these. And just to confirm, I've kind of added a roll up column here so that it counts the number of rows that the query column has kind of returned just for confirmation. Right, so now once this setup is done, which should take you about 3 to 4 minutes, fairly simple to do. Right now we go and we post in the comment. Let's call it test comment 1. Right now on submitting the comment, right, I've created a custom action that will help me find those rows that are older than 30 days by the query column and then kind of delete those. So if we go to the edit action, right, I've added a simple clause: if the number of components is greater than 30, the number of comments that are 30 days or older is more than 0, right? So technically it should be less or equal to 0. So if there are no comments that are older than 30 days, then you just show this notification that says comment posted. And if there are comments given by the query column, right, that are older than 30 days, then you show comment posted because the comment is posted. And maybe just show in a notification that old comments are also going to be archived. And we'll take this out. So if there are comments that are 30 days or older, comment posted, comments are going to be archived, and then you just say delete row. And in this, it is important that you reference the query column. So since the query column is Glide's array column, it's going to create a deletion loop. And you should get this message saying that multiple rows might be deleted. So let's just test this out, right? There we go. So with this, what is going to happen is you're going to be able to maintain a small concise glide table and maintain your loading time.